Hi Cattail Acres friends and family. Today is kind of a different day. Today I'm in my car. We have some errands to run, and then we're going to go talk to a guy about building the house. So it's kind of a super exciting day. I didn't want to go without documenting this day in some fashion, even though we're gonna be on the run all day. So I wanted to just pop on here real quick and let you guys know that this is the day that we're going to get the most basic estimate on the house to get ready to begin construction. So this isn't inclusive of like all the wiring and all the stuff. This is just the shell of the house and the foundation. So we're going to go probably with a concrete slab foundation and just get the shell of it built, so that'll leave us time and money, hopefully, to do the inside, the interior. So super exciting, and I'm gonna have to focus now on my driving so I can get where I'm going safely. You guys be safe, be well, and we'll see you. And then I can drive or do whatever and talk, and it goes right on my video phone.
You know how that works, don't you?